How to join the Google Classroom as a student from your mobile. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now, first of all, you need to download the Google Classroom app from the Android store. I'm not going to go into that detail. The app I've already downloaded. Once you will open the app for the first time, you will get this screen where you will see the option of get started. Click that. It will ask you for the email address. You need to give the email address and then click OK. Now when you want to join a classroom, you will not see this test class here. This I created for the sake of a tutorial, but assume that this test class is not there. You will only see the blank screen, the white screen, and on the bottom you would see this plus sign. What you need to do is to join the classroom, to click this plus button, and from here you can select this option of join class, and over here you need to give the class code which your teacher would give you. You need to just feed in that, and generally that code is in the form of alphabets and numerical characters. So I'm just going to feed the class code here. So once you've feeded the class code, press this join button, then you would join the class of your teacher. This is how you would be able to join a classroom for the first time from your mobile. And towards the bottom you can see there is a stream. This stream is like a wall of your Facebook, and here you would submit your classwork, and here you would see all the list of the students, but right now only the teacher name is mentioned here. So this is how you can join the Google Classroom for the first time as a student from your mobile. If you want to see more Google Classroom tutorial, you can let me know in the comment section below. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.